eduka nyega ya Uhuru Superstores yegotoka se nyumba ya Uhuru Complex imeyumu chujigo musongo eyuera hangene eduka ya Safaricom mwigo ngotuka bari ase nyumba ya JM Towers eyuere hangene bengi ya Credit Bank asamange bakere simbwetera seti namba chabo 0111161500. Uhuru Superstores, the people's choice, guaranteed lowest prices. Karibu nyumbani.
Aha. Kwa hiyo umeamua kuumwaga mchele kwenye kuku wengi. Mbona mimi na yako siyasemi? Mwanaume gani wewe? Kutwa kujilizaliza. Sehemu ya kulia mimi, unalia wewe. Ukirudi nyumbani, unalala tu. Haujali mwenzako nimekula, nimeshiba au nina njaa. Au niwaambie watu kama wewe mchezaji majeruhi. Kwa mwezi unacheza mara moja tu. Niache!
Dada, maneno unayamwaga hayo.
Niache. Wewe umeamua kuyamwaga. Kuanzia leo, watu wote na
Mugaso bwe 2025 na kabere umutinyi yo gatana kabere umwaka bwe kiri bubere 2025 walire bya mwanci omurigereria mugaso yigo muya bwe Jumapili yo mwere umutinyi go gatana kabere ekionga chinsa isano na ibirasenchira yo wenge koro muci bosongo na boyigo koro egetaseni kya Getembe TV nchinkoro wa Catherine Nyaboga habira kariri kuro studio kabere na rokone kyabuna chibiche china Mario yingo ikirachira senchira yo boyikirano karansoke obena into wiko mwere ngomanyegati yari abereka wateka gose agendrete wateka kurwa imena isko yorogongo rwagusi na togo chaka nigo abanyanyimbo bacha kirobotuki asege kore imambi ya rero umugaka oyomo atokambarabarene para gasireti ubugima bwaye ensemo yasuneka ebunge ya Bonchari e county ya Kisii korengana na bamenye bunyagosira Peter Mitunda oyore omulisia bwe kanisa y'igi Adventista ya Suneka Central nigo egotebekana asoka kurwa bwoye kogenda emirimo yaye ya kirari tukogose kogenda kwerigeria na magega yaye eyamate yaye nigo yanyora mangana igoro yogo kwaye ase arenge nebintu ebyo arego chigokorera emirimo yaye anamono egechiko kyogotauria omuchanga abamenye nigo bayichanira egekorekyo ase boyigo bono abanyanyimba boika ensemenyo na kurusia omubiroya wika enkendu chingaki obotuki bwacha kiwe Peter Mitunda nigo abeiro morisia bwe kanisa yo ya Central yose ya Suneka Central asegeka kimyaka 10 bono na ritukuri goro no arenge ekanisa yo ase ariko sasema n'abakristo gose n'ababwatani bensemeyo. Ancho omurigereriane ngana yo goichania kegima murikito Daniel Ntiri nagendrete gutubwatire na gutwariganirio oroboti rwase kionga chinsa kiri mutwe ntochigo koretera egati ari twabere kumanya korwa enseme yo yasoneka tukotigana nayo muraibwensi ya Kenya muske Dr. William Samoei Ruto na barai ao anena mono korwa se county ya Nairobi itkoria rero ni go basangirekana ase kanisa ya ACK St Martin's Light Industries Church egotoka ba ensemo eria Kariobangi omochi o Nairobi igati abarai abo ba kwanire kurwa ensemo yo nigo batogire oborai bwaye Dr. William Samoei Ruto anene mono abo aserit kore igoro abasai gwetania chiribu emerongevere gose abasai chiribu emerongevere na isano banyorete emeremo ase umorobiro okazi mutani na nigo baratie gochaka emeremo yubo bene ritko ria Jumatatu ewiki yegatwa chaka rero gose ritko ria anki.
Ukiangalia vile mashule zinajengwa, we have a builder. Ukiangalia venye stadium zinajengwa, we have a builder. If you see how our markets within the country are being built, we have a builder. If you see how roads are being built in this country, I'm assuring you we have a builder on William Samoei Ruto. Na hii mambo hapa, hii ni kidogo hii. Hii ni kidogo. Watu wa ACK, hii ni kidogo, si ndio? Yeye amke na tamke neno ngapi? Moja tu. Jinsi Biblia inasema, sema neno moja tu na roho yangu itafanya nini? Itapona. Na watu wa ACK pia leo roho yao itapona. Thank you so much for the jobs you've created for our youths yesterday. More than 20,000 were congregated yesterday in Lang'ata na wengi wameingia kazi, wanaanza mboka kesho, si ndio?
Our young people. Mimi ni parent, and we are not saying that these young people cannot and should not exercise their rights. But you cannot submit your children to the church, wewe kama parent umewacha responsibility yako, si ndio? You cannot leave that responsibility similarly to watu wa shule. That is what Your Excellency said. So when you wake up at 2 a.m. Kenyan time saa 7 hapa kujibu rais, mimi nataka kuambia hawa Philips katika serikali ya rais, amuka so that you can allow the president to focus on what he is doing, na nyinyi mujibiane na hawa watu.
Ni kushukuru rais kwa kuendelea kutembea na sisi Nairobi. We don't take it for granted. Na pia ni kushukuru kwa kuwa umetuajiria vijana tena jana. Umetuajiria vijana wengi. Simona jana vijana wameingia Climate Works. The president is really doing a lot to try and create job employments for the youth. Your Excellency, hakuna shukrani tunaweza kurudishia Nairobi zaidi ya hiyo. Umetushikilia sana, barabara ndio hizo, umetupea pesa kutoka Nairobi Regeneration and Akura, na barabara kwetu zinatengenezewa. So
ase kanisa ya St. Martin's Light Industries Church ensemo ya Kariobangi mochio Nairobi gokwanekere ky'umuraiwansi ya Kenya Dr. William Samoei Ruto nigo akwaneire umurobero bwetsemi gose tsemi chabosa imeyense ya Kenya ase alireira yogocha gosira tsemi cyabana aba Kenya okwana kurenseme yo Ruto nigo akwaneire bwagati bwebirasi anene mono kiribu emerongevere na isato imeyo mochio sese county ya Nairobi yoka asatebire boygo babekiro okoiwana ne kyombe kiabali mungia kupet kyogo cha kubamenta emeshara gose engere yabo unenchere yamo yogo siriana boigo gukora emegomo gose emegiro yaborokia Ruto boigo nigo amenta buna nigo bamentre chibesa ochiase umurobere bwechi university gose ni university funding model.
Free primary education katika primary na secondary ni haki ya kikatiba ya wananchi wa taifa letu la Kenya. Na tumehakikisha ya kwamba in the last 2 years tumefanya mambo kadhaa to make sure that education is truly universal and truly accessible, because the commitment we have is that education is the greatest empowerment that any society, any country can give to its young people. And that is why education must be affordable, must be accessible, must be of good quality, and must be relevant. Na sababu hiyo ndio tumeweka pesa nyingi kujenga madarasa mpya. Kwa miaka 2 imepita tumejenga madarasa mpya 23,000. Hapa Nairobi peke yake niliwapatia wabunge wa Nairobi bilioni 1 kujenga madarasa mpya hapa Nairobi. Kwa sababu hapa Nairobi ndio tulikuwa na changamoto kubwa ya msongamano katika madarasa yetu na watoto wengi walikosa nafasi ya kusoma. Vile vile tumekubaliana ya kwamba mambo ya masomo katika university tumeongeza pesa ili tuhakikisha kwamba ile new funding model inahakikisha hakuna mtoto wa Kenya anawachwa nyuma, wapate wote nafasi ya kusoma. Vile vile tumeajiri walimu zaidi. 76,000 teachers have been hired in the last 2 years. By January we will hire another 24,000 teachers. Kwa sababu tunataka kuhakikisha kwamba hakuna mtoto wa Kenya anakosa kusoma kwa sababu hakuna walimu wa kutosha. Vile vile tumekubaliana na viongozi wa walimu wale wa KUPPET na wale wa KNUT ili tusiwe na mambo ya strike na tusiwe na mambo ya msukosuko kwa mambo ya elimu. We have agreed with them. We have signed a CBA up to 2029. Sasa hatutakuwa na mgogoro hapa katikati. Tunataka walimu wetu washughulike na kusomesha watoto wetu. Tumekubaliana na wao, tutawaongezea mshahara from 6% all the way to almost 29% katika hiyo mpango. So I just want to give assurance.
Mawaziri omonene omusikia Musalia Mudavadi nigo akwanire budget eyo eserikali osekigancha gya serikali kiabekane muno erigosira kisemi ky'abana bense ya Kenya okwana kurwa mbere South egotoka county ya Embu. Mudavadi nigo arurokobolya kocha saba na siasa kobeka siasa kando na kwenekya buna budget gosechibesa ekyo kyabeire kigotuma kochase sector yetsemi ngokonya chire gosira amasomo y'abana baito aseboigo arurokobolya gocha saba na siasa gotigana na siasa nari bagari ya kwenekeria abakenya amagendro ari abaganiti.
It is important that we allocate enough resources for education of our children, for the health of our people. And it is therefore important tuelewe kwamba wakati tunaweka 600 billion kwa budget ya kitaifa kwa mambo ya elimu katika Kenya hii, sasa ni juhudi ya sisi sote viongozi tuhakikishe kwamba that 600 billion is used properly kwa manufaa ya watoto wetu pahali popote walipo katika Kenya. Na ndio tunasema kwamba the allocation that is required, tunataka tuhakikishe that even the university students, the primary school student, the secondary school, the junior, we want to make sure the resources are used properly, na tunataka hata digitization tuhakikishe kwamba we can track the shilling to every child in every school, ili pesa za wananchi zisiporwe na zipotee kwa mambo ambayo itaharibu watoto wetu. These are the messages. Uchaguzi aside, whether there's an election or not, our children must go to school. Whether there's an election or not, there must be health services. Whether there's an election or not, people must feed their families. Whether there's an election or not, we must provide shelter for the Kenyan people. This is the journey that we must walk together.
Utigarete enseme yoyo kurigereria chibesa nene muno enseme eria yogosira aboro kiwane enseme umwaziri w'ekigancha gya serikali gose chibesa umuske John Mbadi nigo akwanire chibesa cyakiro mworo kiwo echi cyabeire kigotomwa na serikali gotia chiskuru echo kiri kiribu $222 na bono kirachego keniwa goikachi shiringi kiribu ose goikachi shiringi kiribu 15 nemo kokwana korwa county ya Migori. Mbadi nigo atebre serikali gose serikali cha maiga gochakera serikali yomurai ogatuto bwensi ya Kenya Moske Mwai Kibaki nigo yabereke goteba nkutumere shiringi kiribu $22 chiakera omonoke gochia chiskuru korende yaba kigotoma inse ya echo egento keirere chiskuru chinyinge gotwara amateni na goteba eserikali ya William Samuel Ruto nigo egokorera ekenete gocha kungaina abeborio erio kobasira na nigo erachi gotoma chibesa gochia ase chiskuru erigosira aboroko rakini te gocha goiki osete kunyara goikia chiribu emerongo ebere na ibere akobo mubarabu aboroko nigo obere go comment kana ase chiskuru.
Capitation to schools. This is what I said, and this is what I'm repeating. For so many years now, from the time Uhuru Kenyatta was the president, we have been under budgeting for capitation to schools. That is why you hear principals saying that they have not received money, but the government is saying we have released all the money. The mistake is when we tell the schools that every child we are budgeting for 22,000 and they are not receiving it, the schools end up accumulating debts. Therefore, we need to be candid and say that yes, we want to budget for 22,000 per child, but we have not been having that in the budget. And I was not speaking in a funeral, I was not speaking in a political rally. I was speaking to policy makers. I was speaking to members of parliament who approves the budget. And I told them we must enhance the budget for capitation so that every child receives 22,000. What we have in the budget today is less than 22,000. If you want me to lie to Kenyans, I am not ready to lie to Kenyans. We must budget so that every child is supported as the policy says. And this has been happening from the times of Uhuru. We don't want schools to accumulate debts the same way universities have been accumulating debts. And so we must work with parliament to make sure that we have enough money to run our schools. It is not, I cannot lie to Kenyans, and I'm not ready to do that. I have to put facts as they are. The budget that we have is kidogo, tutaongeza. The government will make sure that we have enough money to support our children in schools. So don't create panic to parents. Parents are not supposed to pay fees, and we are not going to allow parents to pay fees. We will make money available to support them.
Mwagavana we kaunti ya Homa Bay Omoske Gladys Wanga nigo aenekeiri abakenya oseba bwatani bwe kiama gya ODM obwege no babwate asomurai bwe kiama ekyo Omoske Raila Odinga hokwana korwa akaunti ya Migori Wanga nigo akwanere obwa mateba abere bakobeka ne serikali ose nigo akwanere egetambukiro kya Raila gyo kobeka okoigwana na goso serikali na korose serikali yobo mogose province asebo igo atebire egente kyo segetambukiro ekyo nigo kyairere barobo konyora abawaziri aongati yabo muwaziri weke kanche gya serikali Omoske John Mbadi, Omwaziri Omening, Omoske Al Hassan Joho, Omwaziri w'Ekinguru ky'Omuriro, Omoske Opiyo Wandayi nabo igo, Omwaziri w'Ebyombe ebikebike, Omoske Wycliffe Ompeta Oparanya n'egati y'abawaziri asebo igo amokire kinkwana cy'omuriki w'ekyama ekyo nabo igore Omoseneta w'ekaunti ya Nairobi, Omoske Edwin Watenya Sifuna anena mono ekyabwatuka igoro y'obwamate bw'ekyama gya ODM nabo igo obo osene serikali yobo mogose broad based.
Na ilipofika mwezi wa 3 mwaka huu sisi wote tulienda pale KICC tukiweka sahihi ile sahihi ya broad based government. Na mara hiyo sisi kama jamii hapa hatujawahi kuwa na cabinet secretary wa National Treasury. Lakini kwa sasa cabinet secretary wa National Treasury ambaye anashika pesa yote hapa dunia anaitwa John Mbadi ndiye amekaa pale. Tuko pia na waziri mwingine anaitwa Opiyo Wandayi Wakawi. Tuko pia na waziri mwingine kama chama cha ODM anaitwa Hassan Ali Joho. Tuko pia na waziri mwingine anaitwa Wycliffe Ompeta Oparanya. Tuko pia na waziri mwingine anaitwa Beatrice Askul. Kwa hivyo hatuwezi kuja hapa mchana jua ikiwa juu tuseme ya kwamba tunajificha ati hatuko ndani ya broad based government. Mimi nasema kama mwenyekiti wa kitaifa, tuko ndani ya ile broad based government. Na hapo ndio tuko ndani. Na siku ambayo tutakuwa hatuko, na situoni kama itakuwa hivi karibuni, tutamgoja baba Raila Amolo Odinga ndio atakuwa na matamshi kama hayo. Kwa hivyo yule mtu yoyote ambaye anazungumza kinyume na ile mambo na maadili ya chama chetu, atuambie hazungumzii chama, anazungumza kwa niaba yake yeye mwenyewe. Na atakuja atuambie kama wanachama ametumwa na nani, aseme hiyo mambo yenye anasema, kwa sababu tumesikizana na tumeelewana.
Nara yokoro ekionga chinsa isana na ibira senchira yobwenge ikomini nchikoira nagaiga ngoretera yomuna yanda senchira yobwenge boigo toro burigire borobia asemiro bria Getembe TV ekobwate chengoro Catherine Nyabuga havira karire kuri studio kabere narore kwani kebuna chibicha na marugingo ikirachira senchira yobwege.
Asegeka k'emyaka 49 ebenki ya Kenya Pamoja Sacco yabere n'umugusi negukinia umugusi ase eningo yae yabere gekurwa obukorere ase chinse mu buno savings loans obosemi bwo gutumika chibesam na diaspora savings ase bali chinse chimaiko ase wa Kenya Pamoja Sacco yabere osira okonene ase abalemi ebyumbe chiskuru chikampani ao abarikire abaritayire basibali ensemo ya pension boigo abonchereria ibotani na Kenya Pamoja Sacco iyonyore obukoreri ubuya ase chinse mubuna obosemiguru y'ubutumiki bw'ikibesa chilon munam development loans, school fees loans, emergency loans, ebyumbe business loans, salaried loans na boigochi advance loans boigo nkorantura muri kibesa ase uri kuse mobile payments kabe oyomo wa Kenya Pamoja Sacco iliyobwego kerie ayo onsi na yande amange amaya asamange patarechi abisichabo chire asumu chubusungu kahawa house daraja moja asipara ya kisi sotik sibakire simyasi namba 0746-668-190 kuse ototare website yetu ya www.kenyapamojasacco.com.
Njama lieta ngoro kwa Isaac Omwenga, CEO wa Kenya Pamoja Sacco. Sacco ya wa Kenya Pamoja ni sake ya kushughulikira members baye na chigurupu chiria chigokora savings wonko bakira bia isoko chara wa Kenya Pamoja Sacco kune financial institution yao tobwate chibranchi chito ikome na inya chire within usi wana hintu tora rogo konyo mugusi soko gendereria ese ebiasara byabo ase Sacco na gosegwa ase sake ese wali batala join please njubwango mo join tukini Sacco yeto na gusi yeto esa magenda wa Kenya Pamoja you our concern.